Hi there and welcome to another edition of YPS Chat. I'm Sam.
And I'm Andy, and this video we're going to take you down to Birmingham, KBB 2020 show.
Yeah, the KBB is the kitchen, bedroom and bathroom exhibition for our industry, and we'll like to go along to meet with suppliers and see what's new in the market.
Right, let's have a look at the highlights of the day then. Hi, welcome back to YPS Chat. Here we are today down in Birmingham at the KBB show 2020. We're going to have a look at some new suppliers today, so let's go and take a look. So here I am today talking to Daniel on his stand for Showerwall from IDX.
Yeah,
so let's see what he's got to say.
We're here today mainly to promote some of our new products we've got from our beautiful shower panels, but we've also got our waterproof bathroom flooring and our LVT on display.
Here I am on the Harrison bathroom display stand talking to Chris. He's going to tell me about the fitted furniture.
So it's UK manufactured fitted furniture, 18mm thick carcasses, integrated basins, 2 depths. There's 10 different colours from 4 traditional to 6 modern colours.
Yeah, that was a good day, wasn't it, Andy?
Yeah.
So what did you see that you liked then?
First of all, we looked at the wet wall panels, the acrylic ones from IDS, and they had some beautiful designs there.
Yeah, they were beautiful. And I liked that easy access bath we were looking at. I mean, that was British made, really good quality, and for once a pretty good price as well, so I think our customers will be pretty interested in that.
Yeah, I definitely agree on that one. And last of all, we looked at Scudo bathrooms, their new fitted furniture range.
Yeah, so if you watch out for the next few videos we're going to do, because we're going to go into more detail on those products for you.
Yeah, we hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching. See you later, bye.
Yeah, watch out for the next videos and see you around. Bye.